नमस्ते। आज हम करने वाले हैं कोर वर्कआउट। सो लेट्स बिगिन। नो इक्विपमेंट, स्मॉल स्पेस एंड फोकस ऑन कंट्रोल, नॉट speed. Keep your neck relaxed, breathe properly, and engage your core. Lie on your back. The first workout is crunches. Knees bent, feet apart. Hands slightly behind your head. No pulling the neck. Exhale and lift your shoulders. Squeeze your abs. Slow and controlled. Quality over quantity. Keep breathing. Keep supporting your neck. Let's move towards our next workout, which is Russian twist. Sit tall, chest up, spine straight. Lean back slightly, engage your core. Twist side to side with control. Breathe out as you twist. No rushing in this workout. Feel your obliques, your abdomen, and keep breathing. Next workout is leg raises. Lie flat, hands under hips for support. Lower back pressed into the mat. Lift your legs up, slow on the way down. If it feels heavy, bend your knees to protect your lower back. Next workout is mountain climbers. Come into plank position, core tight, shoulders away from ears, drive one knee at a time. Steady pace, don't bounce much, and breathe. The next workout is plank hold. Hold your plank. Straight line from head to heels, neck neutral, gaze down. Pull your belly button in, stay strong. Next and last workout is bird dog. On all fours, extend opposite arms and leg. Pause, squeeze, and switch. Slow movements, this is about stability. You should feel your core working, not your neck. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly throughout the workouts. Finish with stretching or shavasana. Thank you for watching.